Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Canva as PDF. To save your design as a PDF in Canva, first of all, launch open the Canva application or visit the Canva website on your mobile device and then go to the design you want to save. You can also go ahead and create a new design that you'd like to save as a PDF. Once you find the design and open it up that you'd like to save as a PDF, you can go ahead and make necessary adjustments if you'd like and click on the Share button at the top right corner. Now from the pop-up menu at the bottom, click on Download. Under File Type, tap on the little drop-down and then click on the PDF option from the list. You can see two different PDF options. If you choose PDF Standard, it is great for sharing via email or on the web. Whereas if you choose PDF Print, this is best for high-quality prints if it supports higher resolution and CMYK color mode. Choose any one option and then finally go ahead and tap on the Download button in order to save your design as a PDF. And that's it. You now have your Canva design saved as PDF. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.